Sorry my camera's off. I have low vision for those who don't know. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos. Today's going to be a science lesson, and it's about our universe. Did you know black holes pull in things like, for instance, anything, planets, solar system can be pulled into a black hole. But now white holes are completely opposite. Whatever is inside of a white hole is pushed out and won't allow nothing new to come in until it runs out of everything, then it just disappears. Now, I'm not sure if you ever heard of white holes. They're pretty interesting, and scientists are still trying to figure out what they are there from and stuff like that, and why they push everything out and why black holes pull everything in. It's just a thing that we don't know, because when something goes into a black hole, we don't know where it goes. It don't come out in our universe. We don't know if it goes out somewhere else, and the white holes are from black holes and other universes. That's a possibility. Scientists are not saying it is or ain't. It's a possibility that we can travel through universes like the Milky Way to another galaxy through a black hole, and it pushes out the other end of another universe through a white hole. It's not 100% guaranteed that's what they do, but it is a possibility. It can be that way for time travel, and it ain't a guarantee. It's just a opinion that a couple scientists have. Now, black holes suck everything in. We don't know where it goes. In our universe, nothing comes out of the black hole, but white holes push things out. Now, we have so many black holes in our solar system and white holes that scientists are starting to study more, and when we get better telescopes in the future and better probes that can travel farther into our universe, we can learn more about them and learn more about space travel. Space is a very interesting thing, and it needs to be approached with caution and slowly learn about space, because do we really know what's out there? Do we want to know what's out there? Yes, we want to know, but do we want to know? You never know what we'll find out when we discover new discoveries in space. Now, quick little fact for today, because I just gave you a lesson. Did you know Titan is a moon that's just like Earth? Yes. Titan rains, snows, rivers, lakes, oceans, a methane. Titan is just like Earth. It's a second Earth. Bet you didn't know that. They don't know if it's life there, and if it is, it's a different life form than ours, because it has methane as water and snow instead of H2O that we have on Earth as water and snow. Now, Titan has dirt like us, but it's a different type of dirt. It's molecules and stuff of some strange thing that we don't have on Earth. It's a total different material. We thought Titan was all ice. Well, we discovered the ice is like dirt. You can pick it up there with a probe. The probe scooped it up, and it's little flakes. It's not frozen like we once thought it was. Thank you for tuning in to my space educational video. And did you know Mercury is very, very hot, but very, very cold on the dark side of Mercury? Yes, Mercury doesn't turn like Earth. It turns and rotates, but the dark side of Mercury is below zero. The bright side facing the sun is very hot, where nothing can be on it. But in the middle, where asteroids has hit, because Mercury has so many asteroids because it don't have erosion, there are scars all over Mercury's surface. And in some of the craters is ice and spots of liquid water between the North and South Pole, where temperature is just right. But unfortunately, there's no life there, because it couldn't survive, because the life would have to keep moving when the planet changes from, and you'd always have to stay between the dark and bright side, but you can't because the planet rotates. But think, that's pretty cool. Between the dark and bright side, temperature can have liquid water in a certain area. Think about that. That's pretty cool. So if we ever wanted to travel to see different parts of source, if a scientist went there in a space suit, because no atmosphere in Mercury, it's a very, very thin one you can't even see, and you would get a lot of radiation poison, so it's very dangerous there. But space is awesome. Very awesome. Very nice. am very curious to learn more about space. I know you are. I am too. Let's learn more in the next video about space together. See you all in the next cool video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all in the next cool video.
Shutter.